To secure your Facebook account with two-factor authentication is pretty simple. On your Facebook app, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile menu and click on it. Then on this interface, scroll down a bit until you locate Settings and Privacy and click on it. A drop-up menu will appear. Continue to click on Settings. Then after selecting this, make sure to scroll down a bit until you locate Privacy Checkup. Make sure to select on it. This will drop us to an interface like this with a list of menus. Make sure to navigate and locate how to keep your account secure. So continue to click on it. And there we are. Scroll down a bit and locate your review and click on it. Of course, you can decide to change your password. In our case, this is not our focus. Our focus is to secure our Facebook account with this two-factor authentication. So make sure to skip on this, and there we are. This is where the magic will happen. If you want to secure and protect your online presence on any other platform, then I will strongly recommend that you use a VPN service. But the one I recommend to you is to visit this website. A link to it is in the video description. On this website, get the NordVPN at a whopping discount with unbeatable packages. So when you scroll down a bit, you could be able to see that with the NordVPN, you will have a connection speed of over 6,730 plus megabytes per second, and you have a VPN service of over 7,000 plus countries, and an extra bonus packages of malware scan for downloads and alerts about leaked credentials, as well as tracker and ad blocker. This, of course, you'll not find it in other VPN services. So make sure to click the link in the video description to get these packages. Back to the video. Then on this interface, make sure to click on Manage. Currently, my two-factor authentication is already on, and to get yours on, make sure to click on this button, which in your case it will be turned on. After you click on turn on, you will have to provide your phone number and email address. In that case, anytime you try to log in, an SMS will be sent to your email address or phone number for it to be authenticated before you get access to your Facebook account. It's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.